Ulta Spring 2023 Part 2. A few of my favorite deals. Well, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty Spring 2023 has come to an end. Sad. But I bought a few great things. I didn't buy as many items as I usually do, but there were some things I just couldn't pass up. I got to try some new things as well as restock on some favorites. So anyway, in this video, I'm going to just show you a few items that I got, a few things that I thought were really good deals. Let's start with skincare. One of the things that I've been wanting to try was Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. Now, Bobbi Brown is rarely on sale anywhere. Several of the Ulta employees remarked that this was the first time they had seen Bobbi Brown on sale. This I've been using for the past 3 or 4 days and nights, and I really, really like it. Twice a day, basically. I just tap a little bit under my eye. I will also go under my brow as well. Another thing I tried, this for the first time, was Saint-Tropez Self-Tanned Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. And now this says it's skin protecting and tropical scented tanning water mist. I don't know about skin protecting. I do not see any like sunscreen ingredients. It is sort of moisturizing. Basically with this, there are not really instructions on here, but you just from reading online, you basically hold it a little bit away from your face, spray, and it's just a very fine mist, and the effect is very, very subtle. It takes several days to notice any effect at all. But it does sort of slightly bronze and give your skin a little bit of a glow. I would put it on maybe after my serums, but before anything else. Moisturizes, sunscreen, foundation, primers, whatever. The jury's still out on this. I haven't really used it long enough to know whether it's going to have any kind of long-term effect. Now, those two are the only new skincare items I bought this time. They had a lot of great things, but I either already had it or just didn't really need it. So let's get on with the makeup. A few days ago, they had the Pore Professional Benefit half price. The one that I got was called the Hydrate Primer. This is supposed to hydrate your skin as well as visibly minimizing your pores. So just put a little bit on my finger. It has a slight tint to it. And it recommends applying it with your fingers. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to let it dry for a minute before I put on my foundation. This foundation is not new to me. Rather, it's one of my favorites that I was running low on and happened to be half price during the Ulta sale. This is IT Cosmetics CC Plus Illumination. And I use light, medium, neutral in most IT products. So just put a little bit on my hand first. Now I didn't get any new concealer or brow products, so I went ahead and put those on off camera. I'll put a link to everything I used down below. One of the lip products I got was this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This one is called Tangerine Dream, but it doesn't go on this orange. It goes on pretty sheer. So I'm going to put this on. This has a real plumping effect. I'm going to let this set while I do the rest of my makeup before I put on the other lip products. Now for my eyes, I did not buy a palette. I thought about buying, they had some Kylie palettes on sale, but I didn't. I bought 3 pencils instead. This one, the first one was on sale, was Kat Von D Tattoo Pencil Liner. I've never tried a Kat Von D pencil before, so I felt like this was the time to do it. So, and this, it is a roll-out gel, which I love. And the shade I got is actually like a dark green. It's called Viridian Green. And I like this. It's softer than a black liner, but it still does a good job of lining and defining your eyes. The other 2 sticks I got were from IT, the Superhero No Tug shadow sticks. First one I'm using is called Super Slate. And this is just sort of a dark, it's actually more brown than gray, but it's sort of in that family. And I'm just using this along the outer edge and going up into the crease line. Kind of making a little V there, going on top of the liner on the outside and up into the crease line. These are thick crayons, they're not really pencils. I guess you probably could sharpen them, but they're made more to be like shadows. So the second color I got is called Bare and Brave. And this is a pretty little pinky nude, which is of course a shade that I love. So I am going all over the eyelid with this. And now I'm just taking my blender brush and just kind of smoothing it out, blending it together. And I also got a new mascara. This is Too Faced Better Than Sex, half price. The one I got was called Voluptuous Volume. Try it out. I've had this kind of mascara before. I was out of it, hadn't used it for a while, so I thought I would give it another try. It's definitely volumizing. This is a really good mascara. I've always liked Too Faced mascaras, so glad I had the chance to get one for half price. One of the cheek items they offered were these nude sticks, which are really nice for contouring and blush. So I'm going to start by using, let's see, this shade. Just draw a little line under my cheekbones, on my jaw, a couple of dots on the forehead. Then I'm going to take the nice pink blush one and just sort of do a little in the ball of my cheeks. And I'm taking my nice brush and blending it all together. And I'm going to use a little bit of the highlighter that I also used in my part 1 video for this Ulta sale deal, and that's the Stila Kitten. And just add a little extra highlight from that. The lip kits they had in sale included Kylie. So this is the velvet ones, and this is sort of the nudish shade, and my lips is still a little bit slick, a little bit sort of slick from the lip plumper, but and this is, you know, the Kylie liquid lipstick. So these are just a few of the things offered in the latest Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I like everything that I got. It's just a great time to restock on some of your favorites or to try new items. So next time they have one, you better check it out if you didn't this time. That's the video for today. If you like it, can you give me the thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.